Hello enthusiasts! This could be your next EDC flashlight, the Workos TS26S. Ito ay may apat na Nichia 519A high CRI LEDs, may lakas na 3,100 lumens on turbo, aerospace grade 6061 aluminum alloy with a built-in strike bezel or glass breaker. May unique spiral or helical grooves sa tube niya at premium matte finish. Merong makapit na magnetic tail for hands-free operation. Water resistance na IPX8, boost constant current driver circuit type, and advanced temperature regulation ATR technology. Meron itong reverse power delivery. That means hindi lang flashlight ang dinadala mo, kundi meron ka ring power bank. Stick around sa video and we'll unbox, do some outdoor test, and talk about its features and functions. Let's unbox this bad boy. Let's go. Since tapos na tayo sa unboxing, let's go outside and do some outdoor test. Workos TS26S. Yan. Ito yung low, medium, high, and turbo. Yan, napakaliwanag guys. Workos TS26S. On its highest setting, turbo, yan. Napakaliwanag. It's very good. Napakalakas. Yan, on its highest setting. Ito yung low, medium, ito yung medium, and then high. Ito yung turbo. Meron siyang strobe. SOS, beacon. Ito yung beacon mode niya. Yan. Workos TS26S, let me know your thoughts. That is the outdoor test. Now, let's talk about the user interface. So the user interface is very easy. Modes are grouped into three. Merong 5 gestures. Ito ang single press and hold, double press, triple press, and 4 presses. So one click of a button will turn on the flashlight. Press and hold to cycle through low, medium, and high. There. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. Switch between turbo and moonlight by pressing the button twice. Fast double press for instant turbo. And from turbo, double press again and it will take you to moonlight. Moonlight can be instantly accessed by pressing and holding while off. So moonlight is momentary kapag nakalock siya. Yan. So the other modes are strobe, SOS, and beacon and can be cycled through fast triple clicks. So to engage strobe, fast triple press. And from strobe, triple press again. That's your SOS. And another triple press, it will give you a beacon light. Walang shortcut yung SOS and beacon, so you must go through strobe first using the same gesture and it will take you to the remaining modes respectively. So, strobe, SOS, and then beacon. So, yun yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Yung last na gesture niya is yung apat na clicks. Kapag naka-off siya, if you press it 4 times, you can lock your flashlight. So, yun yung user interface niya. Napakadali lang. Pag-usapan naman natin in detail yung kanyang mga features and specs. At this point of this video, nagamit ko na siya. So, as you can see, napapansin nyo, meron na siyang gasgas. I used it for like 3 weeks already, along with my other flashlights as well. Gusto kong pag-usapan muna yung kanyang LEDs. Meron siyang quad setup, apat na Nichia 519A. Yung reflector niya is a TIR lens. Meron rin siyang built-in na strike bezel. Yung button niya is, it doubles as a charging indicator at battery indicator. Gustong gusto ko yung feel ng kanyang side button. Ayan, napaka-solid niya. It feels very sturdy, nice clicky feedback. Maganda yung feedback niya. Pag-usapan din natin yung kanyang texture. So, iba naman yung texture niya. Spiral naman. So, ibang design naman. Meron siyang konting heat sink. Wider yung diameter niya than 10 peso coin. Ito yung kanyang contacts. It's copper plated. Yung threads niya smooth naman. And it uses 21700 lithium ion rated at 5,000 milliamp hours. So this is from Workos. Pwede mo ring matanggal yung kanyang head. Yan. If you want so that you can also see. So yung mga contacts niya is puro spring. Meron siyang konting shock absorption para sa battery mo. So that your battery has some protection as well from impact. And ito, pwede mong matanggal yung kanyang pocket clip if you need so or if you want so. Sa beam profile niya, pag-usapan natin yung kanyang lakas. Ang turbo niya is around 3,100 lumens. Yung beam distance niya can reach 191 meters. So, meron siyang water resistance na IP68. Hindi siya pwedeng pang dive but pwede mo siyang masubmerge up to 2 meters. Hindi siya basta-basta masisira or pasukin ng tubig. That's my review for the Workos TS26S. So far, I've enjoyed using this. Wala akong issues. And I find the beam profile very pleasant. So that's it for the Workos TS26S. Thank you for sticking around. See you on the next video.